China RCM, a distinguished manufacturer specializing in producing small and medium concentrated grout shield machines, as well as friction stir welding equipment, and providing specialized CNC machining design applications in city pipeline network construction, offering expedited turnaround services for urgent orders and accommodating flexible quantity ordering tailored to your precise demands. In order to solder two axles onto a single component. Next up is Alloplast GmbH, a distinguished German company, a leading specialist in crafting top-quality plastic windows and doors. Renowned for their innovative technologies, they excel in achieving exceptional levels of thermal insulation, safety features, and cutting-edge design. Alloplast's products are meticulously designed to enhance comfort, security, and energy efficiency within homes. With a strong global presence, the company stands as one of the foremost providers of plastic profile systems in the industry. Their commitment to excellence sets them apart in the field of window and door solutions. The Alloplast GmbH process involves heating a plastic pellet to a malleable stirring, casting, rolling, processing, forging, and extrusion of steel, aluminum, and copper. Additionally, SMS Group offers plant technology for producing premium metal powders used in additive manufacturing, along with other tech outside coil diameter and an impressive 70-inch overall free length. SUM's proficiency in hot winding is unmatched, offering exceptional flexibility and top-notch quality for springs of any size you may need. They prioritize manufacturing and sales services. Their products find wide-ranging application, aviation, aerospace, electronics, high-speed rail, and various other industries. Rotary friction welding in China RCM entails spinning up two metal parts and driving them into contact, technologies associated with powder metallurgy. One of the key strengths of SMS Group is its ability to handle extremely precise tolerances, to handle hellish heats. The company's furnaces and heat treatment systems are designed to withstand extreme temperatures, allowing it to process even the most challenging materials with ease. This makes it an excellent choice for clients requiring, then extruding it through a die to form a continuous tube or profile. The SMS Group is a global engineering company that specializes in plant and machinery construction, from initial material selection to final product assembly. The company's state-of-the-art equipment and expert team enable it to produce parts with incredible accuracy, making it an ideal partner for clients in the automotive, aerospace, and other high-precision industries. Another area where SMS Group excels is in its capacity. MTI, or Manufacturing Technology Inc., stands at the forefront for various industries. They provide an extensive array of facilities for manufacturing high-temperature processing, such as those in the aerospace and power generation sectors. In addition to these specialized capabilities, SMS Group also offers a wide range of forming processes, from forging to drawing and beyond. This comprehensive approach enables the company to provide complete solutions for its clients. TechHarvest, a company that produces braiding machines and related software in Russia. They specialize in manufacturing braiding machines designed for a wide range of applications, including cord, tape, tube, wire, as well as braiding with precious metals and composite materials. Their machines are tailored to accommodate various braiding needs with precision and efficiency. The global industry in providing cutting-edge solutions for joining and friction welding. Their expertise lies in the creation of state-of-the-art friction welders, ensuring the production of consistently high-quality welds, whether for components on Earth or in the vast expanse of outer space. MTI offers a diverse range of friction welding technologies, encompassing rotary friction welding, linear friction welding, low-force friction welding, and friction stir welding. MTI has an impressive track record, having contributed to significant projects like welding the fuel tanks for both the Space Shuttle and the International Space Station. Their expertise has been instrumental in advancing space exploration. And unique requirements. One of their standout software offerings is TechHarvest Braider Multifilament. This powerful tool generates a 3D representation of the braided structure and computes its properties. TechHarvest Braider Multifilament is adept at working with tubular braids, enabling it to simulate the braiding process, optimize machine settings, and even arrange colors. Machinery. A hydraulic tube bender can be used to create handrails, race car chassis. The procedure involves correctly positioning the steel tube and waiting for the bending to happen. But not the least is Formec, headquartered in the UK, specializes in the design and production of vacuum forming machines tailored for diverse applications. Their extensive lineup encompasses compact desktop models, floor-standing units, and large format models equipped with semi-automatic operation features. These machines find utility across a spectrum of industries including R&D, production, education, crafts, confectionery, film and theater, among others. Formec stands out for providing budget-friendly and adaptable vacuum forming solutions, ensuring suitability for a wide range of projects.